We have started the journey of connecting objects together to collect and exchange data that notify you to take the right decisions in automotive, energy, healthcare, education, smart manufacturing, retail and e-commerce, smart building, smart home, smart agriculture, smart transportation, and FinTech. Through our first program in 2016, Egypt IoT and AI Challenge, we designed an integrated formula to empower IoT and AI innovators. IoT and AI stages: Ideation Camp, Business Mentorship, Hackathon, Technical Mentorship, Fabrication Camp, and Judging Events. Then, we let the success make its noise that grabbed the attention of the Arab world. To start Arab IoT and AI Challenge, therefore another 11 Arab countries joined the road: UAE, Jordan, Morocco, Tunisia, Egypt, Lebanon, Palestine, Oman, KSA, Bahrain, Algeria, Qatar. Then, Africa IoT and AI Challenge joined in 2021 with Tunisia, Egypt, Morocco, Nigeria, Kenya, and Uganda, to have 6 African countries in total. Thus, we empowered high school 516 projects, graduation projects 2,333 projects, startups 716 projects, 27 countries, more than 40,000 followers, 5 million online reach, and more than 100 partners. And we are still looking for more. The 5th edition of Arab IoT and AI Challenge. And the 2nd edition of Africa IoT and AI Challenge. It's time for our 1st edition in Latin America. We are ready for new high school, senior, and startup projects.